Right, winter's coming and I need to sort this shed out. Well, it's a garage and it's so cold in winter. So when I moved in here I quickly put a bodged up bit of flooring so I've got a loft to store things, but I'm going to have to sort it out properly. I'm going to underdraw underneath here and make it a little bit warmer for winter, because it's just open to the roof space, and I'm going to board it out over these joists, I think. So watch this space. Right, so my sheets have arrived. I've got 5 sheets of 9mm OSB. That's the easy bit. Now I've got to get them up there. This is not going to be as easy as it looks. First of all, I've got a light fitting. Well, I did have a light fitting at this end. There's the wire dangling now. So I've got to measure and cut a hole in my board before I put it up for the wire to come through. So the first board's up, but it's not screwed up. I'll show you what I've done. I'll just climb the ladder here. So what I've done at that end, I've screwed a couple of noggins of wood, and then at this end I have put these toggles on, just a piece of wood with a screw through. So once I'd got that end in there, holding it up with one hand, I could then spin these to hold it up in position, and now it's what, half an inch away from the joist. So now I've just got to screw it up into position, and my plan is then to screw noggins here and then move these swizzles along the joist as I go along to help me hold it up while I get them in position. But it's going to be a bit awkward as I go along. I think when I get up near that big joist there, I'm going to have to cut these sheets down into maybe half the width, so they're more easier to handle. Right, so let's crack on. So now then, I've got an extendable washing brush. So I found the best way is to wedge the boards up tight with the brush, adjust it to the right length and wedge it under to shove it up to the joist, and then I can get the screws in. Happy days. Sheet number 2, same method. I've had to cut round that those blocks there. I did a template with a piece of hardboard first, and then copied it onto the board, cut it out, and it's fit perfect. I'm really pleased with that. And I made 2 noggins to go on here. I don't know if you can see how they're working. I put a tapered edge down this way so they just slide on easier to hold that side up while I managed to push it up square. So that's number 2. Get that screwed up now. Kev's top tip: use a little wedge of wood to wedge it up tight for it ready for screwing. I need to get this sheet up there on that block. I've got it halfway now, resting on the vice on the bench. It is a struggle on your own, this. Right, I'll put the camera there. I'll see if you can see me rusting it up. Right, see if I can get it up here. Oh. Get it into the notches. Oh. Quick. And then turn me twirly things. Oh. Yeah, and she's up. I've got to slide it into the corner now. It's held by my Twizzlers there till I can get it secure. Whew. Now I'll go for a lie down, I think. So, mission's accomplished now. The suspended ceiling's up. Got all my lights back up. It's all sealed up. So, hopefully, I'll be warmer this winter. I've got my loft hatch all sorted out. I'll just put that there. Just climb up the ladder. And there we are. So, hopefully, a bit more snug this winter. Yeah, so that was quite a job putting that ceiling up. I didn't film every second of it because you don't want to watch me grunting and swearing and doing, but you get the gist of it, how to do it. It's not a great technical job, but it is a struggle on your own. You really need somebody giving you a lift if you can do it. But I ran out of wood right at the end, so my loft hatch is a different colour, but I wasn't buying another 8x4 sheet just to make a loft hatch. So I've got a plain wood coloured loft hatch. So until the next job, it's goodbye from me. Ta-ta.